Hello everyone, greetings and welcome. Today we will learn probability distribution. In probability distribution, there are many types: binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, normal distribution, chi-square distribution. In this lecture, we see binomial distribution. We use this binomial distribution if the number of trials n is less than 30. For this, consider the experiment which has only two outcomes, a success or a failure. We consider for this P be the probability of getting a success and Q be probability of getting a failure. And here always P plus Q is equal to 1. We know the probability for the event is always is equal. Probability of sample space is always equal to 1. Here, if we consider probability of success and probability of failure, then this probability of success plus probability of failure is always equal to 1 because the experiment has only two outcomes, either success or failure. That is, sample space having the two outcomes and addition of this probability is always equal to 1. Now, we see how to calculate the probability distribution. How to calculate the binomial distribution. Binomial distribution is denoted by B of NPR, and the value of this we calculate by using the formula NCR P raised to R into Q raised to N minus R, where the number N is the number of trials. Here C denotes the combination NCR. Here R is the success in N trials. And here we know P and Q are the probability of success and probability of failure successively. Now, by using this, also we calculate mean and variance. Here, mean and variance of binomial distribution is, we calculate mean, that is the mu is equal to n into p. That is, n is the number of trials into the probability of the success, as p plus 1 is equal to 1. Variance, we calculate this by using sigma square is equal to npq, and we know the standard deviation is the sigma, which is equal to root of npq. In this, we see some examples of this type. How to calculate the probability of the success or the atoms by using the binomial distribution. We consider the example. If 20% of bolts produced by a machine are defective, determine the probability that out of 4 bolts chosen at random, 1 is defective. At most 2 bolts are defective. Here 20% bolts are produced by a machine are defective. Here don't consider the defective one. We consider this 20% is the probability of success. Here produced by machine are defective. We consider this as the success. Then here we got 20% defective, that is P is the probability of defective atom, that is the probability of success. 20%, therefore here 20 divided by 100 is the probability of the success, that is P is equal to 20 divided by 100 is equal to 0.2. Here we know P plus Q is equal to 1, therefore here we got value of Q is 1 minus 0.2, that is 0.8. Here n is equal to 4. We determine the probability that out of 4 bolts, that is the total number of bolts are 4, from this we choose 1 defective or at most 2 defective. 1 defective and at most 2 defective. Now we first calculate for, from these 4 bolts 1 is defective. Here we use the binomial distribution because here n is equal to 4 and this 4 is less than 30. Therefore, by using binomial distribution, probability of bolt, 1 bolt defective is binomial distribution NPR is equal to NCR P raised to R into Q raised to N minus R, where here R is equal to 1 because we calculate here for one atom is defective. Therefore, P of R, that is we calculate here P of 1. P of 1, that is the binomial distribution NP of R, where R is 1. Put the value of N is 4, probability of success is 0.2, probability of failure is 0.8, and R is equal to 1. Therefore, NCR value is 4C1. P raised to R, that is P raised to 1. Q raised to N minus R, that is Q raised to 4 minus 1. Therefore, you got Q raised to 3. Also substitute value of P and Q. Here P is equal to 0.2 and Q is equal to 0.8. Substitute the values and calculate. Here we got the value 0.4096, and this is the probability of one defective atom. Similarly, we calculate this for at most 2 bolts are defective. At most 2 bolts are defective, that is we calculate for less than or equal to 2 bolts are defective. That is we calculate for R is less equal to 2. We calculate the probability of R is less equal to 2. 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2. We substitute the here value N is equal to 4. So we calculate P and Q, substitute value of P and Q. In first, substitute R equal to 0. In second, substitute R equal to 1. And in third, substitute R is equal to 2. Substitute all the values and find the value of at most 2 bolts are defective. Find the probability. If we find the probability, here we got the value 0.9728. Thank you for watching the video.